Plant FAQs, Bolbitis difformis. The allure of Bolbitis difformis, a lush addition to your aquarium. As an aquascaping enthusiast, I'm always on the hunt for plants that add a touch of elegance and natural beauty to my underwater world. Enter Bolbitis difformis, a captivating fern that has stolen a place in my heart and aquarium. Its vibrant green, feathery fronds create a sense of depth and texture, making it a truly versatile addition to any aquascape. But beyond its aesthetics, Bolbitis difformis boasts a surprising level of adaptability, thriving in both submerged and immersed environments. For those new to the world of Bolbitis difformis, here's a comprehensive guide to caring for this easygoing yet stunning aquatic plant. What is Bolbitis difformis? Bolbitis difformis, sometimes referred to as the water fern or rhizome fern, belongs to the Lomeryopsidaceae family. This epiphytic fern, native to tropical regions of Africa, naturally attaches itself to rocks and driftwood in its native habitat. Unlike many aquatic plants, Bolbitis difformis doesn't require a traditional substrate to flourish. Bolbitis difformis versus Bolbitis hudolodii. When comparing Bolbitis difformis and Bolbitis hudolodii, here's what stands out to me based on my experiences with these fascinating ferns. Aspect Bolbitis difformis. Bolbitis hudolodii leaf-shaped difformis has more deeply lobed, almost feathery leaves, giving it a very delicate appearance. Hudolodii features broader, more uniform leaves that have a classic fern-like look. Growth pattern: it tends to grow in a more spreading, somewhat cascading manner, which can add a whimsical touch to any terrarium. Grows in a more upright, bushy form, making it a bold statement plant for aquascapes. Habitat preference: prefers slightly drier conditions and can adapt well to both terrestrial and aquatic environments. Thrives in fully submerged aquatic settings and appreciates consistent moisture. The maintenance side: I find difformis to be less demanding in terms of maintenance, as it doesn't mind occasional dry spells. Hudolodii requires more consistent care with regular water changes and steady humidity. Visual impact: adds a light, airy feel to setups with its fine, intricate leaves. Provides a strong, lush green presence that can dominate the visual space in an aquascape. Does Bolbitis difformis need substrate? The answer is a resounding no. Bolbitis difformis thrives as an epiphyte, meaning it gets its nutrients from the water column rather than rooting in the substrate. This makes it a perfect choice for aquascapers who want to create a clean, minimalist look, or for tanks with bottom-dwelling fish that like to sift through the substrate. Does Bolbitis difformis require soil? Since it doesn't rely on substrate for sustenance, Bolbitis difformis doesn't need soil. In fact, burying the rhizome, rootstock, of the fern can hinder its growth and even lead to rot. Planting Bolbitis difformis is a breeze. Here's what you'll need. Bolbitis difformis plant: driftwood, rocks, or other hardscape elements. Cotton thread, optional. Choose a suitable location in your aquarium. Bolbitis difformis can grow up to 18 inches tall, so keep its mature size in mind when selecting a spot. Identify the rhizome of the fern. This is the thick, horizontal stem-like structure from which the fronds sprout. Gently attach the rhizome to your chosen hardscape element. You can use cotton thread to secure it temporarily until the fern attaches itself naturally. Over time, the rhizome will develop root-like structures that firmly grip the hardscape, eliminating the need for thread. Additional care tips for Bolbitis difformis. Lighting: Bolbitis difformis prefers low to moderate lighting. Intense light can cause algae growth on the fronds. Water parameters: the fern thrives in a slightly acidic to neutral pH range, 5.0 to 7.0, and soft to moderately hard water. Maintain a stable temperature between 20 to 28 degrees Celsius, 68 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. CO2 injection: while not strictly necessary, CO2 injection can promote faster growth and enhance the overall health of the plant. Fertilization: Bolbitis difformis benefits from occasional liquid fertilizer dosing, especially if your tank lacks a rich nutrient profile. Propagation: propagating Bolbitis difformis is a simple process. You can divide the rhizome and attach the new sections to separate hardscape elements. What to plant with Bolbitis difformis? Bolbitis difformis pairs beautifully with a variety of plants. Here are a few ideas. Foreground plants: dwarf crypts, Anubias nana, or Marsilea crenata. Midground plants: jungle val, Vallisneria americana, water wisteria, Hygrophila difformis, or Rotala rotundifolia. Background plants, swordtails, Echinodorus spp, Amazon sword, Echinodorus bleheri, or water sprite, Ceratopterus thalictroides. With its minimal needs and captivating beauty, Bolbitis difformis is an excellent choice for both novice and experienced aquascapers. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that adds a touch of elegance and lushness to your underwater world, look no further than the Bolbitis difformis.